What if I told you one of the best neighborhoods in Buenos Aires is a place most tourists never see? Today we're walking you through Villa Urquiza, a neighborhood that feels more local, more residential, and a lot more livable than some of the better known parts of the city. You've been looking for Buenos Aires and wondering where people live, not just where tourists stay. This is the kind of place you want to see. And we're going to start off a very popular place in Villa Urquiza, Lo de Charlie. Check out some interesting street art here. We're up in the northwest part of Buenos Aires. You can already feel the difference in the neighborhood. It's a lot calmer energy here, less touristy, more rooted in everyday life. Cross over, get out of the sun by this Jenny. You're still going to have the tree-lined streets as this is Buenos Aires. A lot of older homes, local cafes, and neighborhood shops. This place feels more relaxed than the busier parts of the city. This is not your postcard Oblisco, Puerto Madero, Buenos Aires. It's not touristy at all. It's real life BA. Neighborhood's quiet but not boring. Still things going on. Already gone by some restaurants and cafes. See people enjoying everyday life, out walking dogs. Picking up kids or sitting talking. Got this cool looking car here. If you're someone who likes things quieter, less touristy, this might be the neighborhood for you in Buenos Aires. You think you could actually live here? This neighborhood attracts mix of people. We've got long-time residents, been here for years, families that have moved out want a quieter neighborhood feel, and younger professionals want more space for their buck. It means the neighborhood doesn't feel too old, too young, doesn't feel built around nightlife. Could be kind of for everybody. Even old No Tan Santos over there. There is a mix in this neighborhood. You're going to see some older homes along with some low-rise apartment buildings like you see over here. So there's a bit of a blend between new and old. That's why this area gets talked about as one of the more desirable neighborhoods of Buenos Aires. It has personality, local feel, but it is evolving. Hopefully for the better. If Palermo's too busy for you and too focused on nightlife, this might be the place for you. So it's much more slower and does offer nightlife, but it's not as prevalent as it is in Palermo. One of the big advantages here, along with a lot of other neighborhoods in Buenos Aires, it's well connected. Public transit's all over the place. Just grab you a Sube card and you're good to go. But is Villa Urquiza walkable? Yes. Is it safe? Yes. You get groceries easily? Yes. You just enjoy a normal Tuesday afternoon here? I believe so. It's a great place for everyday living. Along with the tree-lined streets, there's a nice park, which you're going to find all over Buenos Aires. Got bikes you can rent for the day. You have a popular merry-go-round at the park. People working out at the park. Gotta love the green space in Buenos Aires. You can see some of the older built buildings there. And you can hear parrots in the park. Let's go see if we can harass some of them real quick. And we could show you more of Villa Urquiza. I think I'm gonna call it right now and enjoy this day in the park. It's super nice out, and maybe we'll hit this area another time. Thanks for watching.